Hello to all my subscribers. Good afternoon. Selamat petang. Konnichiwa. I love languages that I know. So guys, today I want to share one home remedies that you can use, that you can apply if you have cough or mild cough. Not only for you, especially for your children, for yourself, for your husband, for your girlfriend, for yourself, for your auntie, for your niece. You can use and apply this, and it's cheaper and it's advisable because there's no side effect. So guys, our ingredients is onion. Look, onion. So what we're gonna do is you have to peel off the onion. So when it's already peeled, you should put it in a bowl. So after put it in a bowl, you have to steam it because we need to get the moist from onion, and that is the remedies that we should use. We need to use for our children or for ourselves to drink it. Okay? So guys, let's steam it. Okay? Wait. So guys, you need to steam it. Okay? If you don't have steamer, you can use a big pot. Put water inside, then you have to use this. Okay? Steam it for 30 minutes or until the moist from onion will come out. Okay guys? So guys, after steam it, get it. Oh, why my daughters? Oh, you have flu. You have also cough. What a pity, girls. So I made some onion water for two of you. Okay? Try this first and later at night you should drink. Guys, get the moist from the onion, okay? Okay guys, 1 teaspoon for your children. If an adult, you should use big spoon.
Mommy, I go.
Okay guys, take rest. You go there, let me press later. Go there. Wait. Okay guys, that's for all tonight. I hope you like my video. If you want, you can apply this one. You know, I always use this if my kids have flu and cough. Because onion has an antibacterial and antioxidant which could kill bacteria from your body. Okay guys, if you like our videos and if you want to watch more videos, please like, share, and please subscribe.